Press the button, it will match with the remote control. There are a total of 3 models to adjust the setting of the remote control. This is the content and instruction that can be set in the remote control. In the first mode, the first time is set to D2D mode, and the time of the lamp is based on the sensing knocks. The 5-stage mode means that there are 5 time periods that can be set. From the lamp sensing to the lux, start to light up and timing. Until the 5-stage time is completed, the light is off. This mode is meant to set the 4th stage to TOT. The change of this mode is mainly related to the length of the night. For example, in summer, when the light is shorter, the TOT time will be shorter, and the time of the other stages will not change. In winter, the time of the other 4 phases has not changed, but the light time becomes longer, so the time of the TOT phase will also become longer. The sensing function is to be realized in the last 2 models, and it is in the 3rd and 4th stages. The last is over default factory settings. We suggest not to change the following settings.